What's up guys, Pop101 here. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to downgrade Blade&Sorcery to a previous game version like U8, U7, U6, etc. if you want to try out any of the older mods, because not all of them have been updated. Now it's a really quick and easy process. All you want to do is go to Settings, Properties, Betas, click this bar right here, and you can select U8, U7, and U6. Just select whatever one you want. After clicking, it will automatically start downgrading you. Now I'm not going to do it because I want to stay on U9, but that's it for this video. So if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel a ton, and I'd greatly appreciate it. If you check out the link in the description, you can join my Discord server where you can hang out with a bunch of the people from the Blade&Sorcery server, my YouTube channel, just hang out and have a good time, learn how to make mods. And as always, if you want to support the channel and myself, a link to the Patreon is below as well. With that, thank you for watching.